There's one thing that is funny about the key suspect. We were able to get him with a bag that he goes around with. Inside that bag are women panties, several women panties that he carries them around. Key suspect to other people may think he's an electrician because he carries around bulb, just a single bulb and electrical wire. But inside still that bag, he has a small hammer that he uses to hit his victims. Yes.
We want to watch the residents of Wataala that following the intelligence-led operation, we have been able to arrest all the suspects who have been involved in this instance. The main suspects who have been involved in this rape and the unfortunate murder cases. Besides what we have said, one of the victims of this attack is receiving treatment in one of the hospitals and is in fair condition.